Hi, this is question paper 0580, paper 2, non-calculator. It's a practice paper, set 7. So it's a non-calculator paper, and paper 2, this is a new syllabus 2025, and the practice test here. So let's go for the first question. Simplify square root of 9 over 16 and plus 2 power negative 1. Here, square root of this one, we can write square root of 9 over square root of 16 plus 2 power negative 1, which is square root of 9 is going to be 3. 3 over square root of 16 is going to be 4 plus 2 power negative 1, we can write 1 by 2. So when we simplify, we have to make denominator equal. So 3 plus, we need to multiply at 2 and 2 here, which is 2 over 4, which is equal to 5 equal to 4. So 5 over 4 is the correct answer. So the next question, y equal to x by 2 plus x square. Find the value of y when x equal to 0.1. So we'll substitute 0.1 here, y equal to 0.1 over 2 plus 0.1 square, which is here is 0.05 plus 0.01, which is 0.06. The answer is 0.06. The next question, solve the equation n minus 8 over 2 equal to 11. So we'll write n minus 8 equal to 2, this come this side, which has become 22, 11 times 2. So n equal to 22 plus 8, which is going to be 30. So 30 is the answer here. The next one, in the space provide, which of the number in this calculation correct to one significant figure? So P's value is given. So one significant figure, which is 4.8, will round up by, which is going to be 5. And here 1.9, so which is going to be 2 here. Okay, then down it is 16. So one significant figure we have to round up here, which is 2. Which is 20 here. Okay, so yeah, use your answer part 1, estimate the value of P. Estimate, so P equal to 5 times 2, 10 over 20, which is 1 by 2 when we simplify, which is equal to 0.5. So 0.5 is the correct answer. Next, a straight line passes through a point 0, 3 and the point 2, 11. Work out the gradient of the line. So gradient we will calculate like m equal to y, first change of y, so 11 minus 3, 11 minus 3 over 2 minus 0, which is 8 over 2, which is equal to 4. So the gradient is going to be 4. Write down the equation of the line. So the equation of the line is y equal to mx plus c. So y equal to, we got already gradient. Gradient is 4x plus c. Now just choose any one of the point. So I'm choosing this point. So just substitute. Now y equal to 3, x equal to 0. The entire term becomes 0 plus c. So c equal to 3. Just substitute this value to here. That's it. Y equal to 4x plus 3. Next, one of the angle in the triangle is twice as big as the smallest angle. The third angle is the triangle 40 degree bigger than the smallest angle. Okay, work out the size of the three angles of the triangle. So smallest angle will take as a x. Then second angle will get twice as big, so 2x, and the largest one is going to be 40 degree bigger than small, so which is x plus 40 degree. So smallest one is x, next one is 2x, the largest one is x plus 40. Okay, so equal to sum of all the angles equal to 180 degree. So next, x plus 2x, 3x plus x, 4x plus 40 equal to 180. So 4x equal to 180 degree minus 40. So 4x is going to be 140. Yeah, x equal to 140 divided by 4. So x equal to here 335. So we are going to find out, just substitute the x here, these three values. The first angle going to be 35, second angle is 2 times 35, which is 70. The third angle going to be 35 plus 40, which is 75. And next, question 7. Write a subtraction in the simplest form. 2 by x minus 2 by x plus 1. So we'll make denominator same. So I'm going to multiply this x plus 1 to here and this x to here. So 2 times x plus 1 minus 2 times x over x into x plus 1. So just expand the numerator, 2x plus 2 minus 2x over x into x plus 1. So this 0. So the final answer going to be 2 over x into x plus 1. The next one, a bus company in Dubai has the following operating times. Okay, Saturday to Thursday, the bus is starting at 6 o'clock and finishing time is midnight 12:24. Okay, calculate the total number of hours that the bus company operates in 1 week. Number of hours, so 6 to 24 is 18 hours. 18 hours, how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 days in 18 hours plus the Friday 13 to 24. So 1 o'clock to 24, which is 11 hours. Okay, so 11 hours. So 108 plus 11, which is equal to 119, total 119 hours. Next question, write the starting time on the Friday in 12-hour class. So 13 is going to be 1 p.m. So it is 1 p.m. Next question 9, simplify 3 root 2 whole square. So we are squaring both the numbers. 3 square going to be 9. So 3 square going to be 9, and square root 2 square become 2. So square root and square will be cancelled, which is going to be 18. Next one, square root of 24 plus square root of 54. Just we need to simplify. Square root of 24 we can write as square root of 4 times 6 plus this 54 we can write square root of 9 times 6. So here square root of 4 is going to be 2, so 2 root 6 plus here square root of 9 going to be 3 root 6. So 2 plus 3, both the square roots are same, so 2 plus 3 5 or root x. That's the answer, 5 square root of 6. The next question, q equal to 2 power n minus 1. Work out the value of q when n equal to 3. So just substitute here, which is q equal to 2 power 3 minus 1, which is 8 minus 1. The answer is going to be 7. Next, q is a prime number, some values of n. Find the q, the prime numbers n equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Just substitute these values here. Already we substituted 2. No, we didn't do. Okay, first we do n equal to 2. So n equal to 2, then what you'll get, 2 power 2 minus 1, which is 4 minus 1. The answer is 3. Next, n equal to 3, so 2 cube minus 1, which is 8 minus 1, which is 7. Next, n equal to 4, which is 2 power 4 minus 1, which is 2 power 4, 2, 2, 4, 16. 16 minus 1 is going to be 15. Next, n equal to 5. 2 power 5 minus 1, which is 32 minus 1, 33. So this is not a 2 power 32 minus 1 is 31. Sorry, this answer is going to be 31. So only this is the prime number, sorry, not a prime number. So we need only prime number here. So 3, 7, 31 are the prime numbers. That is answer 3, 7, and 31. 31. Okay, so the next question. When q n equal to 6, q is not a prime number. Explain how you'll know the value of q is not a prime. Okay, so obvious. A 2 power 6 minus 1 equal to 2 power 6 is going to be 64. 64 minus 1 is 63. So 63 divides by 63, it's divided by 9 and 7. So that's why it's not a prime. Okay, the prime number have a divisor 1 and the number itself, but here there is another factors are there, so it's not going to divide. It's not a prime number. Next question 11. Ivan travels to work by car. He goes through 2 sets of traffic lights on this journey. The probability that he stops at the first set of the traffic light is 3 over 5. The probability of stops the second set of traffic lights is 4 over 7. The probability, these probabilities are independent. Okay, complete the tree diagram. So the first set 3 over 5. If not, this is going to be 2 over 5. Next is second set. Second set, okay, so he stops. He stops is like 4 over 7. Probability of the second set 4 over 7. Does not stop, that is 3 over 7. Here also he stops, which is 4 over 7, and does not stop is 3 over 7. Probability that Ivan stops neither set of traffic lights. Okay, he's not going to stop any of the signals. Okay, which is going to be, this is 1 and does not stop and does not stop, and we need to multiply 2 over 5 times 3 over 7, which is 6 over 35. So 6 over 35 is the answer. Next one, factorize x square minus 3x minus 18, which is, so multiply time we have to get negative 18, addition time we have to get negative 3. So the factors are 6 and 3, which is minus 6 and plus 3. So x minus 6 and x plus 3. So x minus 6 and x plus 3 is the answer here. Next one, we need to solve. So that's before 1 equal to 0. So whether x minus 6 equal to 0, then x equal to 6, or x plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to negative 3. So 6 and negative 3 are the answers here. Next, question 13. Sophie drives 125 miles from Annan to Barham at an average speed of 50 miles per hour. She then drives 90 miles from Barham to Chand. She does not stop, and her whole journey takes 4 hours. What is the average speed driving from Barham to this one? We need to find here average speed. The first part we can find the average speed because, yeah, B A to B. A to B, the average speed is going to be 100, yeah, speed equal to distance over time. So here 125 over 50, which is going to be 25 times table 5 by 2. 5 by 2, which is 2.5 hours. Total journey is 4 hours. So the rest is going to be 4 minus 2.5, which is equal to 1.5 duration for the next part. So we can find out the second average speed. So speed equal to distance over the time, which is distance is 90 over the time. We know the rest of the time 1.5 hours. So 1.5, which is equal to 15 times table 1 and 6, so 0.6 hours. Next, question 14. Show that x plus 7, x minus 4 plus 3x into x minus 1 simplifies. We'll get the answer. Just we need to expand. So x plus 7 and x plus x minus 4 plus 3x of x minus 1. So expand the first two part, which is x square minus 4x plus 7x minus 28, plus the expand this side, a 3x square minus 3x. So the answer is going to be x square plus 3x minus 28 plus 3x square minus 3x. So this part is 0. So 3x square plus x square, which is 4x square minus 28. Bring the 4 outside. 4 times x square minus 7. So this is only we need to prove. Simplify. So we got the answer. Next, question 15. A cumulative frequency is given, the graph is given, so use the diagram to estimate the median waiting time. Median waiting time, there are 120 patients here, doctor for surgery, 120 divided by 2, 120 divided by 2, it is 60. So come to the 60 here, so you need to use a ruler, so to get the proper value. Here 10 to 20, each one is like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So each one carries like a 2 units. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, which is going to be, the answer is 18. So they have to wait for 18, median waiting time is 18. Next, the interquartile range. Interquartile range is upper quartile minus the lower quartile. So upper quartile is going to be 3/4 of 120. So 3/4 of 120, which is 30, which is 90. So we need to check 90 here. When we draw a line to 90, so we'll get this line. Sorry, we have to use a ruler, which is 26. Okay, so 26 minutes. I'll write here. Next, first quartile, 1/4 of 120, which is 30. So we'll check into 30. 30 is going to be 12 hours. So 26 minus 12, upper quartile is 26 and lower quartile is 12. So 26 minus 12, which is going to be 14. So 14 minutes. Next, use the diagram to estimate the percentage of the patient who waited longer than 30 minutes. So longer than 30 minutes divided by whole number of patients. Longer than 30 minutes is going to be here 30, and so we'll check 30. So 30 is going to be here, which is, yeah, here each one like a 2, 4, 6, 8, and which one is 2? So 102. So 104, we need to find this distance. These people waiting more than 30 minutes. So 120 minus 102. 120 minus 102, which is going to be 18. So out of 18, out of 120 people wait more than 30 minutes, percentage we are calculating into 100, which is equal to 0, 0, and 6 times table is a 3 and 2. So this is 5, so 15, yeah, 15%. The next question 16. Simplify 9k square divided by 3k power minus 5. So which is 9k square over 3k power minus 5. So this become 3. This k minus 5 go up, it will become k plus 5. K 2 plus 5, which is 3k power 7. 3k power 7 is the answer. Next, evaluate 4 over 25 whole power minus 1 by 2. When we swap inside the bracket, the numerator will become, the power become positive. So 25 over 4 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a square root. So square root of 25 over 4, which is square root of 25 over square root of 4, which is 5 by 2. So we can leave the answer as 5 by 2 or 2.5. The next one, 27 power x equal to 3. So we'll make the same the base. So 27 I can write 27, 3 and 9. So 3, 3. So 3 cube. So 3 cube whole power x equal to 3. So here always power 1 is there. So 3 power 3x equal to 3 power 1. So compare both the side the same base. So in the exponent we can make it equal. So x equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is the answer here. Next question 17. In this question, all the length are in the centimeters. Okay, a solid shape consists of the cube, the pyramid of on top. The cube has the side of 2x. Okay, and the base of the pyramid of the is 2x. Okay, the pyramid here, the base is 2x, and height is total height is 5x. Okay, the next one. The cube as length is 2x. Okay, the vertex of the top of the pyramid 5x. Okay, yeah. So this height is like a 2x because a cube. So the entire height is going to be 5x. So this height is going to be here to here is going to be 5x minus 2x, which is equal to 3x here. Okay, so what we need to find? We need to find the expression in terms of x, volume of the solid. We need to find the volume. So first, volume of square plus volume of this pyramid. So volume of square equal to not square, cube equal to 2x cube because side is 2x plus volume of pyramid. Pyramid volume is given 1 by 3 into base area. Base area is like a 2x. So 2x square because the square 2x square times the height. The height is going to be 3x. So just we need to simplify this one. So 2x whole cube, which is 2 cube is 8. 8x cube plus 1 by 3 into 2x square is 4x square times 3x. So 8x cube plus 1 by 3 into 4 times 3, which is 12x cube. So this and this become 4. So 8x cube plus 4x cube, which is 12x cube. So the volume is going to be 12x cube centimeter cube. Next question 18. There are two mathematically similar hexagonal prism. Prism A has a length is 6 and prism B length is 9 and the volume of prism A is 80 centimeter cube. Calculate the volume of prism B. So first we need to find the scale factor. Scale factor, the longer one is 9 over 6, which is 3 by 2. Okay, so now small one volume is like 80. So scale factor, volume factor is going to be cube. So which is 3 by 2 whole cube equal to volume of B. This is volume of B. So 80 times 9 over, sorry, not 9, 3 cube is 27, 27 over 8. So this is going to be 10. So 10 times 27, 270 centimeter cube. So the answer is going to be 270. Next, x plus 0.78. 78 is it's a recurring, keep repeating, make it as a fraction. So x equal to 0.78 is a recurring. Then I multiply 100, x equal to, so the decimal will move two places here. So which is 78 point, again this keep repeating. Now I'll take away both. So 100x minus x equal to 78.78 recurring minus 0.78 recurring. So it become all the recurring, after decimal all the recurring is gone. So the answer is going to be 78 minus 0, which is 78. So left side is 99x. So x equal to 78 over 99. When you go for simplest form, so we can divide it by 3 times table, which is 26 over 33. So 26 over 33 is the correct answer. Next question 20. A town planner uses this formula to predict the population of P of a town after 2017. P equal to 36700 times 1.06, where n is the number of years, 0 to 5 years. Okay, for how many years? The formula used for 5 years. Next, which of the population of the town is 2017? 2017 is the starting year, so n becomes 0. So 1.06 power 0 become 1, so 36700. 36700, that's the initial population. Okay, next, by what percentage is the population expected to grow each year? The percentage is here, the increasing to 1.06, that means 6% is increasing. Next question 21. Here's the circle theorem. ABCD lie on the circle. Center O. Angle ABC equal to 58 degree and angle CAD equal to 23 degree. Calculate angle OCA. OCA. Yeah, so this angle separated from the center, this is 58, this is going to be 116. We need to make double. 58 times 2, which is 116. Okay, this is 116. This is isosceles triangle AOC, because OC and OA are the radius. Radius always is equal. So isosceles. So we have 180 minus 116 divided by 2, because both angles are equal. This because of isosceles. Okay, so we'll get 64. 64 divided by 2, which is equal to 32. The answer is 32 degree here. The next part, angle DCA. DCA. So we need to find out this angle. Okay, now this angle plus this angle is 180 degree because cyclic. So 180 minus 58 is going to be 122. So I got this angle is 122. So 122 plus 23, take away from 180, we'll get angle C. So angle DCA equal to, so 180 minus 122 plus 23, which is, yeah, 180 minus 145. The answer is going to be 35. So 35 degree here. Next, this is the sketch of the graph y equal to 2x square minus 3 and y equal to x plus 3. Work out the coordinates of the points intersect both. Let's make it equal, which is 2x square minus 3 equal to x plus 3. We need to solve x and y. Sorry, x, x and y. So here 2x square minus 3 equal to x plus 3. Both are y equal to y equal to. So we can equate. So I'll bring everything one side, which is 2x square minus x minus, in this 3 goes other side, is minus 6 equal to 0. So now I need to factorize, multiply time, we have to get negative 12. Multiply time, negative 12, addition time, we have to get negative 1, which is, we can choose 4 and 3. So which is minus 4 and 3. So 2x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So I'll bring 2x common out, x minus 2. So x minus 2 here plus 3 equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 and x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so now I'll make it 2x plus 3 equal to 0, which is x equal to minus 3 over 2. And here x minus 2 equal to 0, so x equal to 2. So I got two x values, which is minus 3 by 2 and 2. Now this value we need to put any one of the equations. So y equal to x plus 3. So I'll put it this equation, y equal to x plus 3. Here x value, when first value when I substitute minus 3 by 2 plus 3, which is equal to make LCM minus 3 plus 6 by 2, which is 3 by 2. So the answer is like 3 by 2 here. Next, when I substitute 2 here, y equal to 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. So here answer is going to be 5. These are the coordinates. Next question 23. The diagram shows a rectangle ABCE. D lies on EC and DAB is a sector of the circle, radius is 8 centimeter and sector angle is 30 degree. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. So we need to find the perimeter of this shaded region. So we need to for this length plus this length plus DC. That's it. Okay, first I'll do the curve length, which is a sector actually. This is B is a sector. How to find the arc length, which is the angle is given 30 divided by 360. So theta by 360 into 2 pi r2 into pi into r. Our radius is going to be 8 of AD is the radius. 8 plus how to find this? Okay, I'll do separate. This is only the arc length. Arc length I'll calculate 30 by 360. This got cancelled, so 1 by 12. 1 by 1 and 12 we'll get this 2 and this is going to be 6. Okay, so again 2 times table 4 and 3. So 4 by 3 pi. This is the first part. Arc length we got it. Next, here the entire length is 8. So first I'll find out here to here take away from 8. So I can use this triangle. When I use this triangle, this is a right angle triangle because it's a rectangle. So right angle triangle, so I need to find ED. ED, this is angle, so opposite over hypotenuse. So I need to use sine. Sine 60 degree equal to like ED over 8. So 8 into sine 60 degree equal to ED. So sine 60, it's going to be root 3 by 2 equal to ED, which is this is 4. So 4 root 3 equal to ED. So I got the ED. Now I need to find CD or DC. DC equal to total length is 8. 8 minus 4 or root 3. This is the part. Second part also we find out. Then third we need to find out BC. Again I'm going for the same triangle. Instead of the sine, I'll go for cos. Cos 60 degree equal to AE over 8. So 8 into cos 60 degree equal to AE. 8 into cos 60 is going to be 1 by 2 equal to AE. Then we'll get answer 8 divided by 2, which is equal to 4 equal to AE. So we got all the length. So total perimeter equal to, so perimeter is, we need to DC plus CB plus arc length. So which is, we should add all this length, that's it. So 4 by 3 pi plus 8 minus 4 root 3 plus 4. So I can add up this 2, which is 12 minus 4 root 3 and plus 4 by 3 pi. So we need to leave the answer. This is the term, this is the form. So we got the same form here, a plus b root 3 4 by 3 c by. So this is question, there is a plus is given, so 12 plus minus 4 root 3 plus 4 by 3 pi. This is our final answer, 12 plus minus 4 root 3 plus 4 by 3 pi. Next question 24. Here we need to find g and h. Here both side expand and equate. That's it. So left side, when I expand, I'll get x times so 2x square, which is 2x cube plus x square minus 15x minus 2gx square minus gx minus 15g equal to right side, when I expand, 2x cube plus hx square minus 18x minus 9h. So left side there is only one x cube, so I'll take together, and x square there is two x squares, so 1 minus 2g plus 1 minus 2g into x square, and x term is plus minus 15 minus gx, and the constant is going to be constant, sorry, this is plus because minus g times minus 15, so which is 15g. So right side there is only one x cube and only one x square, hx square, and the constant is going to be, so here 18x, sorry, there is some x is missing, so minus 9 times 2 is 18x, so minus 18x, then minus 9h. Okay, so here x square, x cube term same, so we can ignore that. So we are going to compare all other term. Here x square coefficient is 1 minus 2g. 1 minus 2g equal to, here x square coefficient is h, so we can equate. Then here x's coefficient is minus 15 minus g equal to, here x's coefficient is minus 18. Okay, next last constant 15g equal to minus 9h. From here we need to find h. Okay, from where, yeah, from the second term, what I can do, minus g equal to minus 18 plus 15. So minus g equal to minus 3, so g equal to 3. So I got g value from a second equation. Just g value, just put in one of the equation, we'll get the h. So I'll substitute in the first equation, 1 minus 2 into 3 equal to h. So 1 minus 6 equal to h. So minus 5 equal to h. So the answer is negative 5. H equal to negative 5. Next question 25. Solve the inequality for the positive integer values of x. So 21 plus x greater than 5 into, because of 5 I'll bring the other side, x plus 1. So 21 plus x greater than 5x plus 5. So I'll bring this x to other side, 5 I'll bring here, 21 minus 5 greater than 5x minus x. So this is 16 greater than 4x. So I'll bring 4 here, 16 divided by 4 greater than x. So 4 greater than x. So I'll swap x is less than 4. So here they asked only positive integer values. So we need to write positive integer starting from 1. So 4 is not included. Integer, there is no decimals. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. That's it. Next question 26. Show that 2 over square root of 27 plus 1 by square root of 3 can be written in the form of this form. Okay, m and n are the integers. So what I'll do, 2 over square root of 27, I can write square root of 9 times 3 plus 1 by root 3. So 2 by square root of 9 is going to be 3 root 3 plus 1 by root 3. I'm making same denominator, so I need to multiply a 3 here and here, second term. So 2 plus 3 over 3 root 3, which is root 3. Okay, make the LCM. So we are not getting the same answer here. Uh, root 3. Okay, I'll do in the other technique. Okay, here 2 by square root of is the same thing. 3 root 3 here we'll get, because square root of 27 is square root of 9 times 3. So we can write 3 root 3 and plus 1 by root 3. So yeah, the LCM is going to be like 3 root 3 times root 3 is going to be 3 times 3. So here is 2 plus 3 root 3. So we need to multiply a 3 root 3 here, which is 2 plus 3 root 3. So here also, so we need to multiply a root 3. So we need to multiply a root 3, which is over 9. So 5 root 3 over 9. That's a final answer. I'll repeat this question again one more time. Okay, the first part, 2 by 3 root 3 plus 1 by root 3. So LCM time will multiply this one, they'll multiply here. So 2 root 3 plus 3 root 3 over, down we need to multiply both. So 3 root 3 times root 3. So numerator, both are square root is same, so we can add up both. So 5 root 3 over here, 3 times root 3 is become 3. So 3 times 3 is going to be 9. That's it. Next question 27 is a vector question. ABCD is a parallelogram. DC equal to 3Q, and here all the values were given. So DC equal to 3Q. So here this length also is like a 3Q. This vector here, BC equal to 2P. So here also is like a 2P. And what is given? AX XB. This is 2:1. Okay. Okay. First, what we need to calculate, find the dx in terms of p and q. D2x. So d2x, yeah, this entire length is 3q. So this length is going to be 2 by 3 into 3q, and here to here this length is going to be 1 by 3. Total length is 3. So 1 by 3 into 3q. Yeah, which is equal to q. This part is going to be only q. Okay, so dx is, so I can write dc plus cb plus bx, which is going dc equal to 3q, then cb equal to minus 2p, because we are coming opposite way, then bx equal to minus q, opposite. So 3q minus q is going to be 2q minus 2p. That's the answer, 2q minus 2p. Next, to show that dxy is a straight line, dxy. So first we need to find dx already be find, so we need to find dy. Dy equal to dc plus dc plus cy. dc equal to 3 cube minus 3p. 3q minus 3p, which is we can write 3 into q minus p. Okay, so the long length here dx equal to dx is going to be 2, yeah, dy is 3 times q minus p, and dx equal to 2q minus 2p. So we'll get like 2 into q minus p. So both the ratio is 3:2. They are the same vector, only the ratio is different. Therefore, like dx y, see they are the same vector, so we can write as parallel. It is parallel, but here one point is common, d, and d is common, so d is common. Therefore, dxy is straight line. Straight line. Yeah, that's the end of the paper. We finished.